it, bring it, babe. Watch it, turn it, see if it's stuck formatted. Touch it, bring it, babe. Watch it, turn it, see if it's stuck formatted.
All right, let's get into this. Real quick, homework. So we presented a couple problems, and let's just kind of go through them. So we said Denisha answered the following question correctly. And what she did was she used a process of taking the change in y and dividing it by the change in x. Very good. That will work 100% of the time. Yes, ma'am. Now, we were asked to do the same. And we were asked, not only do we want the slope, but what's the meaning of this slope in the context of pencils and the cost? So how many dollars per pencils is what we're asked. Okay, so here's what I recommended we do. There's always more than one way to skin a cat. We're going to use the triangle method. And in the triangle method, we look at our change in our y value. So we went from, say, 1 to 2 here. Our change in our x value, we went from 5 to 10. So that'd be 1 over 5. So initially, essentially, what we're saying is the slope means that for every $1, we can purchase 5 pencils. So, what would that mean if I wanted to know how much money per pencil? Well, that's not difficult, guys. Let's just take a look at alpha y1, alpha y1 to 1 pencil, $1 for 5 pencils. And if I wanted to change that to my unit rate, all right, so 1 divided by 5, that's 20 cents per pencil. Okay, so however you want to look at it, $1 for 5 pencils, or we want to look at 20 cents per pencil. Either one are equally acceptable answers. Okay. Are we skipping around here? Okay. So we got that. That's Monday. Okay. Tuesday. Says a plumber has a set fee for a house call and charges by the hour for the repair. The total cost of her services can be expressed using this linear function. Which statement about the functions is true? Well, let's examine the linear function. So we know that the original fee for the house call is $95. Now we also know after that $95, for every was it by the hour here? For every hour he's working, he's charging $125 per hour. So let's take a look at options for the answer. Well, let's consider. Choice 4 is the most appropriate because it's the only answer that includes every aspect of the linear equation. We have the output, we have the slope, and we have the which is the times the input plus the y-intercept. So the house call fee is $95. I think we agree with that. The house charge, the plumber charges $125 per. I think we can agree with that. And the number of hours that the job takes is represented by 2. I think we are all in very much agreement. Okay. Time check. Okay, fine. We're good. A function is shown in the table. All right. All right. If included in the table, which ordered pairs would result in no longer it being a function? Now we've seen this kind of question before, and so ultimately we got to have something where our x values are not repeated. Well, it's pretty clear to see that if I add the positive 1 comma negative 1, that's going to be my problem. So the order pair which would give us the issue would be negative or positive 1 comma negative 1. We want to stay away from that. Bringing this to a rapid end. We got Wednesday. Okay. I think I'm going to shut this video down and come back to finish up Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, just so that we can stay on track with our timing. Time-wise, I tend to try to be right about 6-7 minutes. All right. So if you're one of those individuals that had no problem getting through first couple problems, good for you. For the other 80% of you, please pause the video, hit rewind, watch it, hit rewind, watch it, and then internalize that skill. All right, remember, 30 minutes of study a day keeps bad grades away.